You'll see a light on the chime. Now we're going to turn on the doorbell and go through the setup on the app. Here you'll see the light flashing red, which is ready for the setup. Now I want to download the Cloud Edge app. You can scan the QR code in the manual or just search in your Play Store. Once downloaded, press OK and then follow through these steps. First click on Sign Up Now and add your email address, then add a nickname and your password. Click on Add Device and then select Battery Camera.
Hold the device power button to start the device. Select the Wi-Fi network you want to sync with. Please choose a 2.4G network, then enter your network password.
Whatever Wi-Fi your phone's connected to appears here, and then enter your password.
Please remove the protective film from your camera lens. Tap Next to show your QR code.
Once you hear this sound, it's done. Once your doorbell has made that sound, you can now press Next on your phone and follow through the steps.
Connecting. Please wait a moment.
Now wait a moment while it connects the doorbell to your Wi-Fi router.
Put camera and phone at the place of camera installation. Press Next to enter network diagnostic.
Now it will show you your Wi-Fi signal from where the doorbell is to your Wi-Fi router. At the moment I'm only 10 meters away from the router just for setting this up. But you could place this at your door to know the strength there. Then click Done, and then Done again. Here we have like the home page. If you click on the rectangle, it will show you the doorbell and display what the camera can see. And now I just wave to test if there's any delay. Underneath the image we have the battery indicator, the bit rate and the Wi-Fi percentage. You can set up the cloud storage by activating it. I'm going to save the footage to the micro SD card, which you need to format the SD card first by following through these steps. Once you've done this, automatically all of your footage will be saved to your micro SD card, which we can view on the app, or you can always remove the SD card and view on your computer. Now I'm going to flick through some of the settings. I'm going to have motion detection on, which you can adjust the sensitivity. You can adjust the alarm working mode. You can also add an alarm plan, but I'm going to leave that bit. With the alarm area, you can highlight sections of the image of where you'd like to be notified if someone steps in that area.